Hi, Matt Barkus here, CEO of mintbuilder.com. We've created Mint Builder for you, and I know that's a bold statement that I'm making, but it's true, and in a few minutes I think you'll agree. You see, the person who invited you to this short presentation thought enough about your financial well-being that it's worth your while to check this out. And again, it's only for a few short minutes here, and in the day and age that we're in this financial turmoil that we're in, it's so important to understand the information that I'm about to share with you. So I encourage you to listen all the way through here to this short message and to find out what Mint Builder is all about and how it can greatly benefit you. You see, Mint Builder is helping thousands of people all around the globe, people just like you, to help them increase their wealth. Many new people are finding success every single day with our dual wealth approach. And that's what we're going to be talking about. This dual wealth approach has worked for so many people. I'll show you how you can do the same right now, and it's so simple. First, by protecting you from the increasing costs of living. And second, by providing you with a platform to increase your income. Now let's talk about the first wealth approach. It's so simple. Start getting assets today. According to Albert Einstein, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. Most of us spend up our money in this manner and expect that next month we'll magically have extra money in the bank. That was me for so many years. When next month rolls around, we feel deflated because it didn't happen like we thought it would. But then somehow we reconvince ourselves that it'll happen the following month or the month after. Soon enough it's going to happen, right? And if this sounds like you, as it used to be me, I have good news. You can put a quick stop to this negative loop and start protecting yourself against the increasing costs of living, this inflation, right now. The way to get this done is by acquiring assets that aren't tied to that paper money that you carry around. Simply put, start saving something that goes up in value faster than the rising prices of all the stuff that we buy. The wealthiest people have done this for generations because it works. You see, Mint Builder offers such assets at very affordable prices to get you protecting your hard-earned income quickly. These assets are silver and gold, and they've been used as the true wealth standard for literally thousands of years. Some things are just trends that kind of come and go as we see every day, but silver and gold are truly forever. Now, the key to getting ahead quickly is to make buying assets automatic, so you can set it and forget it. That's what Mint Builder is all about. We've made protecting your wealth simple by creating monthly asset autosavers. These autosavers allow you to accumulate very special wealth-preserving coins that not only have pure silver, but they also carry a second value built into them. The second value they have is rarity, which causes their value to increase with time. So basically, the point is to make your wealth increase automatically as time goes by. We've made protecting your wealth super simple by creating 3 options to get you up and building your very own mint. The first level of protection is the basic autosaver. This asset is a perfectly graded pure silver coin. Because it's perfect and flawless, it ensures you gain rarity premiums over time, increasing your level of wealth. You'll receive 1 perfect mint coin each month from our random rotation of government minted coins from all around the world. This wealth protecting package retails for only $119 a month. And in just a minute, I'm just going to basically let you in on the super low member only prices. We'll be talking about that in just a few minutes, so hang tight. Now, the second option is the Plus Autosaver. It also includes the perfect rotating world coin and a perfectly graded fine silver eagle coin from the United States Mint. Now, this is providing you with 2 wealth-preserving coins each and every month. Because of our purchasing power and long-time connections in the industry, we've been in this industry since the late 90s, we're able to give you a great package savings on multiple coin purchases. Now, the Plus Autosaver, it retails for only $189. That's a 20% savings per coin every month compared to the basic autosaver. And finally, our most prestigious and sought-after package, the Elite Autosaver, which also includes the perfect rotating world coin and 2 perfectly graded fine silver eagle coins from the United States Mint. That's 3 wealth-preserving fine collectible coins each and every month. With this perfectly packaged deal, we're able to give you a great retail price at only $249. That's a 30% savings per coin every single month. And if you want to stock up on silver and gold bullion, we have that as well. We have an online shop and we have lots of variety to choose from. Then you can diversify your wealth. Now, if you're really serious about protecting your wealth and want even a deeper discount with Mint Builder, then we have you covered. Guess what? With our Mint Builder membership, you'll receive these autosavers at our special member-only pricing. And here's what the pricing looks like. The basic monthly autosaver, it's only $99 a month, and that's shipping included. Our plus monthly autosaver is only $149 a month with shipping. And the best value is the elite monthly autosaver for only $199 a month. That's 3 coins, shipping included, out the door, $199. That's a 44% savings per coin per month. Now the best part is the membership is only $99. And unlike most wholesale stores in the United States, we have Sam's and we have Costco where you pay $100 or more every single year. With Mint Builder, your membership is paid once and lasts for as long as you're on one of the 3 autosaver packages. So it's only $99 for a lifetime membership with all of this value. And in addition, this lifetime membership, it gives you access to silver and gold bullion at company costs. There's no limit to how much low-cost bullion you can grab up to protect your wealth. The value is completely unlimited, so now you're able to diversify your wealth protection with bullion and rare monthly coins at the best prices possible with Mint Builder. Now let's talk about another way Mint Builder can help you increase your wealth. This leads me to the second part of the dual wealth approach, and it's really simple. Start increasing your income right away. As we mentioned before about the definition of insanity, there's another area I used to make the same repetitive mistake, and that was with my income. I thought, well, if I worked hard enough, I could work my way up the ladder, earning more and more money. That would solve all of my financial problems, right? Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way for most people, or basically anyone for that matter. The truth is, you only have so many hours in a day, and I don't know anyone on their last lap of life that stated, man, I wish I would have worked more hours at my job, or, this is where I should have spent more time, is just always just thinking about my work and building more time and money. It doesn't work that way. And our time is so limited and so valuable, and there has to be smarter ways to make money beyond just trading hours for dollars, right? And besides, isn't working 40 or 50 hours a week enough? This leads me to the second way Mint Builder will help you increase your wealth. Using the wealthiest people scenario again, they create income leverage. What I mean is they find a way to receive income not only based on their limited time and effort that we all have, but also based on other people's time and efforts. It's kind of like working together as a team and leveraging as a team, right? And to take it further, they multiply their ability to leverage by creating residual wealth. This means that the income mostly keeps coming in with minimal effort on their part. Now I know the persona of the ultra wealthy isn't always good, but the fact is people get wealthy and keep their wealth because they use 2 wealth approaches, the dual wealth approach. Another fact is that having a lot of money really only magnifies who you already are. So wouldn't you like to find out what increased wealth would look like when it magnifies inside your personality? Here's how Mint Builder will help you get there. We've built a platform that allows you to generate new income, much of which happens to be leveraged and residual income. This means you can put up some effort in the beginning to make good income, and with minimal effort, you can keep it coming every single week. With the Mint Builder platform, you'll start generating new income to expand your wealth. You simply become an affiliate with Mint Builder by purchasing a lifetime membership. Remember, it's only $99 one time. And by getting on one of the 3 asset autosavers, the basic, the plus, or the elite. Once you do that, you're activated as an affiliate and have exclusive access to several new ways to make money. Let's talk about what those ways are here. The first way Mint Builder affiliates earn is with our fast income. Every time you refer a customer or affiliate to our $99 lifetime membership and they purchase the membership, you'll receive a fast income bonus. The amount you earn is based on which autosaver you're on personally. If you're on the basic autosaver, then you'll earn $20 for selling a lifetime membership. If you're on the plus autosaver, you'll earn $30 every time. And if you're on the elite autosaver, then you'll earn $50 every time you personally refer someone that purchases a lifetime membership. The second way you can be paid is with our fast match income. You see, when the affiliates you've introduced to MintBuilder refer a customer or an affiliate to the lifetime membership and they buy the membership, that personal affiliate is going to do what? They're going to earn that fast income, just like you earned. And then you get to match on that. You can either match what they make by 25% or you can match it by 50%. Now, if you're on the plus autosaver, then you'll earn the 25% match. And if you're on the elite autosaver, then you'll earn a 50% match of whatever they make. This is one of the ways you'll receive leveraged income that I spoke about earlier. The third way you'll earn is by referring customers to your online silver and gold shop. When your customers buy products, you'll earn direct retail sales commissions. There's a variety of products that pay out a variety of different commissions. And the most powerful part of this entire program that I'm going to talk to you about is this is very, very important because this really taps into this leveraged residual income I'm talking about. And this is called daily cycle commissions. You see, all three autosavers, the lifetime memberships, as well as most of the products in the online shop, they all carry what we call mint points. Basically, those mint points are put into a binary compensation plan so that you can cycle on them and then it turns those points into money. The way our binary works is you have a left team and a right team. You place every affiliate you bring into MintBuilder either on your left or your right. And every purchase made in your entire team, remember this is leverage, that creates mint points is included in your binary, allowing you to cycle and earn residual income, leveraging from your entire team's efforts. So now you're taking all of the effort and all the time from everybody in your team and you're able to earn from that. Now I know it sounds kind of complicated, but let me break it down and show you how simple it really is to make money even at the lowest basic level, and it only goes up from here. Everything works based on the power of 2. If you referred a customer onto the elite autosaver or you're on it yourself, this is how it would look. You refer 2 people who purchased the $99 lifetime membership and their choice of one of the 3 autosaver options. You make $100 in fast income, 50 from one, 50 from the other. This also generates the minimum of 20 mint points on your left team and 20 on your right team, which causes you to cycle and make $20. So you just earned $120 by introducing only 2 new members. It really is that simple. You see, with MintBuilder Income Platform, you can earn all the way up to $12,000 each week just in cycle commissions alone. It all starts with you introducing just 2 people who want to get better results from their savings, and maybe they would like to start generating more money each week just like you. This is powerful income that, basically most people never have the opportunity to tap into this kind of income, but today you have this opportunity. How bad do you want to start protecting your wealth? Do you want 1, 2, or 3 assets a month? How much leveraged residual income would you like coming in each week? Instead of waiting on the chance that perhaps next month will magically provide you with more money, like I used to do, make it happen for yourself by getting started today. And I just want to say thank you for listening to this presentation of MintBuilder's proven dual wealth approach. And make sure to log in on the site you were given access to or contact the person who referred you. It's so important to start getting assets and increasing your income today rather than waiting on tomorrow. So together, let's make a mint.